Como estas? Bonjour. Hello, how are you? My name is Tawanda Makunde. I'm an artist. I play the acoustic, saxophone, piano. Yeah, those are my main instruments. And my genre that I specialize in is Afro jazz, though I am an all-rounder. And this is the original band.
What up, Zimbabwe? I'm Ashkuz Makaza. I play the bass guitar. Listen to me dropping the hardest music.
Hi there, I'm Lucky Matambo. I pop low keys dropping the hardest music.
Zimbabwe, hi Africa, hi Europe and Asia. My name is Liberty Junior Mangachena, aka Live the Drama. I'm the drummer for Tawanda Makunde, and we are here to do our work, we are here to do business. So watch us dropping the hottest music.
I'm Shangit Makunde. I'm a backing vocalist for Tawanda Makunde and the band The Original.
Wendiwa wakabika doro hanzi ngaite mombe aiye pamuchenji kwache so akatedzera zvape.